Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. I hope you all are doing well. I am Sumera Health AI Wali from the platform of Rehan Artificial Intelligence Teacher Training Institute Level 1. Welcome to all of you in another exciting episode with Maya. Viewers, technology is evolving at an incredible pace, and augmented reality is becoming one of the most exciting innovation of our time. So today we are exploring the topic that what is the future of augmented reality. Let's discover how augmented reality is transforming education, healthcare, business, entertainment, and the way we experience the world around us. So, for discussing this topic, I am joined by Maya today in my studio. Yes, let's start discussion with Maya without any delay.
Hey there. What's
Welcome to the
up?
welcome to the studio, Maya. How are you doing today?
I'm doing great. Thanks for having me back. I'm ready when you are. What's on the agenda for today's episode?
Okay, Maya. First of all, I would like to know from you what is augmented reality and how it is different from the virtual reality. What do you think about it?
Oh, this is a fun one to dive into. Um, Basically, augmented reality or AR is like adding a digital layer to the real world. Think of it like Pokemon Go or those filters that put dog ears on your face. You still see your actual surroundings, but there's something extra floating there. Virtual reality, on the other hand, is a total escape. You put on a headset and you're completely transported somewhere else, like a deep sea dive or a different planet, and the real world just disappears. One enhances your reality while the other replaces it entirely. Does that make sense, or should I give you a better example?
You are absolutely right, Maya. Understanding the difference between these two realities help us to appreciate the uniqueness and the values of the AR. So, how is augmented reality transforming the future of education?
It's honestly a game changer for the classroom. Instead of just reading about the Roman Empire or looking at a flat diagram of a cell in a textbook, students can actually see a 3D model of the Colosseum sitting on their desk or walk through a human heart. It turns learning from something you just listened to into something you actually experience. I imagine it's especially powerful for students who struggle with traditional lectures. Do you think that kind of hands on tech would have helped you when you were a student?
You are absolutely right, Maya. My next question to you is that how is augmented reality improving healthcare and medical training? Because AR is helping professionals delivering better care and training. So, what do you think about it?
It's actually pretty incredible. In medical training, it's like having a GPS for the human body. Surgeons can use AR to project a patient's internal anatomy, like the exact position of a tumor or blood vessel, directly onto the patient during a procedure. It takes a lot of the guesswork out of the equation, which obviously makes things way safer. And for students, they can practice complex surgeries on digital overlays before they ever touch a real patient. It's a huge confidence builder. I wonder if we'll eventually see a world where every doctor has an AR headset for every single checkup.
You are absolutely right, Maya. How can businesses use AR to improve customer experience? Because innovation is creating smarter and more personalized services. What is your opinion about that?
It's all about removing the I hope this fits or I wonder if this looks good guesswork. The biggest win is try before you buy. Imagine pointing your phone at your living room to see exactly how a new sofa fits, or virtually trying on a pair of glasses without leaving your house. It makes the whole shopping process feel way more confident and less like a gamble. Plus, for things like IKEA, it saves people from the nightmare of getting a piece of furniture home only to realize it blocks the hallway. It's a smarter way to connect a product to a person's actual life. Do you think most people are actually ready to swap a physical store for an AR experience?
Okay, you are absolutely right, Maya. I do believe that AR is making shopping more interactive and convenient. So tell me that how is AR changing the future of shopping and retail? What is your opinion about that?
It's moving us toward a world where the store comes to you. Beyond just seeing if a couch fits, we're looking at things like interactive windows. Imagine walking past a shop window, glancing at a display through your glasses or phone, and seeing real time reviews, different color options, or even a buy now button without ever stepping inside. It turns the entire city into a clickable storefront. It's not just about convenience, it's about making the discovery part of shopping feel like a treasure hunt. I'm curious if you think that makes shopping more exciting or just a bit too overwhelming.
You explained it very well, Maya. Thank you for that. My next question to you is that what role will AI play, like artificial intelligence, play in the future of development of augmented reality?
Mm. That's where things get really interesting. AI is essentially the brain that makes AR actually smart. Right now, AR can show you a 3D model, but AI is what allows that model to understand where it is in the room and how to interact with it. It's the difference between a digital sticker and a digital object that knows it's sitting on your table. Plus, AI can analyze what you're looking at in real time and give you a personalized overlay. Like if you're looking at a plant, AI can identify the species and AR can instantly pop up care instructions right next to it. They're basically the perfect duo. AI does the thinking and AR does the showing. I bet we'll
Okay,
see a point where AR doesn't even feel like technology anymore because the AI is anticipating exactly what info you need before you even ask for it.
excellently explained, Maya. Thank you for that. I do believe that AI and AR together will create the amazing possibilities. So I'm going towards my next question. As every new technology brings both opportunities as well as the responsibilities. So tell me that what are the biggest challenges facing by widespread adoption of AR?
You hit the nail on the head. The responsibility part is huge. I think the biggest hurdle is the clunkinesses factor. Nobody wants to walk around wearing a bulky headset that makes them look like a sci fi extra. For AR to really take off, it has to feel as natural as wearing a pair of glasses. Then there's the privacy side of things. These devices are constantly scanning our environment and recognizing faces to make the AR work. People are going to wonder who else is seeing that data. And of course, there's the distraction risk. Imagine trying to drive or walk through a busy city while your vision is filled with digital ads and notifications.
Okay.
Could get chaotic pretty quickly.
Maya, my next question to you is that what ethical and privacy concerns should people keep in mind while they are using AR?
It's a bit of a minefield, honestly. The biggest one is consent. If you're wearing AR glasses that are constantly recording or analyzing everything you see, the people around you are basically being filmed or scanned without ever agreeing to it. It turns every public space into a potential surveillance zone. Then there's the data side. Companies could potentially track not just what you click on, but exactly what you're looking at in the real world and for how long. That's a level of insight into our behavior that's almost scary. And you can't forget about digital divide ethics if AR becomes essential for education or jobs. What happens to the people who can't afford the hardware? It could create a whole new kind of inequality. I wonder if you think we'll need actual laws to stop people from recording others with AR, similar to how some places handle cameras in private spaces.
Okay, thank you so much, Maya, for joining us today and shared your valuable insights regarding the future of augmented reality. I really appreciate your effort.
It was such a pleasure being here. Thank you for having me. I loved the way you structured the episode. It really made the whole topic feel accessible. I'm looking forward to the next one whenever you're ready.
Okay, thank you, Maya, and thank you all the viewers who are joining us today in our show. Viewers, augmented reality is not just changing technology. Rather, it's changing the way we think, we learn, we work, we communicate, and experience the world. Keep exploring new technologies, continuous learning, and use the innovation responsibility to build a smarter future. That's all for today's session. See you in the next session soon. Till then, take very good care of yourself. Be healthy, keep learning, and make your every minute count. Allah Hafiz.
Allah Hafiz. That was a wrap. I'll be